Hi, my name's Nicole Hambleton and I'm a paralegal in the immigration team here at Mitchell Mills. Today we're going to be looking at the differences between a defined and undefined certificate of sponsorship. Firstly, it may be helpful to look at the certificate of sponsorship or COS and its main function. So this is a virtual document and it must be assigned to a prospective migrant worker via the sponsor's online sponsor management system before the worker starts their employment. The COS contains personal information about the individual and also their position within the company, such as their salary and job description. Each year, a sponsor employer will have the opportunity to apply for their annual COS allocation. So this is the number of undefined COS, which we'll discuss further shortly, that the employer envisages that they'll need for the following 12 months. In deciding whether to grant the request, the Home Office will look at a number of factors, including the nature of the business, the business need, and also the UK sponsor's track record. So this will be a look at compliance and things like that. So it's really important to include lots of information to address each of these points when making an application for your annual allocation. So why are there two different types of COS? Firstly, let's take a look at the undefined COS. These are for workers applying for permission to stay in the UK under the skilled worker route, or workers on all other sponsored immigration routes, whether they're applying to inside or outside the UK. As we've discussed, these will be taken from the employer's annual allocation of COS, and so it's really important to take steps to plan all new international hires before making the request for that COS year to ensure that you have sufficient COSs to cover. With the defined COS, these are only relevant for individuals who are entering the UK for the first time as a skilled worker under the skilled worker route. Unlike the undefined COS, these are not included in the annual allocation, and so an employer must apply for one each time they want to sponsor an individual under the skilled worker route. Applications for the defined COS are again made via the sponsorship management system, where the application is straightforward and no further information is required for a decision to be made, then you should receive a decision on the application within 1 working day. However, where the Home Office needs to make additional checks or they require further information, it can take up to 15 working days for a decision to be made. If successful, the defined COS will be added to the employer's account and will be ready to assign to the relevant worker. It must be assigned within 3 months of it being allocated to the account, or it will be removed. So I hope that this provides a helpful summary on the differences between undefined and defined COSs. If you need any further information or specific advice, then please do get in touch with the immigration team. Thank you.